Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to show you the September BeautyFIX box by DERMSTORE. If you are not familiar with BeautyFIX by DERMSTORE, it is a monthly subscription box that you can purchase through DERMSTORE. They're a site that sells a lot of different types of beauty products, and this is the subscription box that they put together to highlight some of their favorite products. This subscription starts at $24.95 per month. It should have at least $100 worth of value in it, and it will get cheaper per month depending on whether you get 3, 6, or 12 months pay monthly or 3, 6, or 12 months paid ahead. It's a little bit cheaper for the paid ahead version, but you can check out all those prices on the website. And I want to show you what's in here and also tell you why we're seeing this one. I did used to review the BeautyFIX box. It's been, I don't know how many months since I canceled it. I canceled it because I didn't really love all the products that I got in it. They were good, they were fine. I just, with all the other things I was getting, this was one of the boxes that I decided to take out of the lineup. There is one reason and one reason only I did get this box again, and I did actually sign up for the 3-month subscription, so you will see 3 of these. And I will show you that one of the previous boxes, we got, one of the previous BeautyFIX boxes, we got this mask. This is the MZ Skin Hydra Lift Gold Face Mask, and it comes in 2 parts. And this mask by itself, this mask is like $30. I will put the exact price in the corner, but I was absolutely blown away. I thought $5 a mask was a lot considering you're using it one time. It's $5 per use for a single face mask, and that's the most I've seen one, maybe in an extreme case $10, but this was a $30 one-use mask. So I was skeptical to say the least, but I did try it and it was amazing. I had visible results. My skin looked better. My skin texture was great. It was moisturized. It was amazing. So we saw this being reviewed on another channel and I got this one so my sister could try it. I got to use the last one, so she gets to try this one. So this one mask costs more than this box, so I had to get it. I did do the 3 months paid ahead, so mine were 21 something a box, I think. So not bad at all to get what you're going to get in these boxes, and you do get your value's worth for sure. So this is the reason that I got this box. The next product in here is a sample from Marvis, and this is I want to say they have a toothpaste. Yes, this is Marvis, and this is, it just says mint. This is Marvis's mint toothpaste, and they come in a metal tube. I don't know that I've heard of these. I don't know if I've ever tried this one. I know I've heard of it. I've seen it in other boxes. I feel like I may have had a sample of this, but it's been so long I do not remember. So toothpaste, fancy toothpaste. I'll put the full size price here in the corner, and this is a ½ an ounce. So we'll compare ½ an ounce to full size value and see what we got. And with this box, you will get some full size items and some sample size items. So we're going through the sample size items. The mask was a full size item. This is a sample. This is La Roche-Posay. And this is a 50 broad spec. I can't actually talk today. This is from La Roche-Posay, and this is a 50 broad spectrum SPF, and this is a daily invisible sunscreen. So this would be a daily sunscreen that you can use to protect your skin from the daily sun, whether it's summer, winter, spring, or fall. There's always the sun outside, and we need to protect our skin from those rays, and this is one you can wear under your makeup to make sure your skin is protected. So this is a little sample. You probably will get a few uses out of that. See how you like it. Our next product is from Lancer, and I think this is a sample size as well. This is I don't see the size on here. I'll see if I can find the size, but this is a gravity defying moisturizer with firming complex. So this is a Lancer moisturizer, and this has to be a sample. There's no way this is a full size, but maybe this has the size on it. This is a 1/4 ounce. So this is a 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mils sample of the Lancer moisturizer. Again, I'll put the full size price versus the sample size price in the corner here as well. Our next one is from RMS Beauty. Whoops, that is not going to show. Here, let me try this. Our next one is from RMS Beauty, and this is an eyelighter. So I'm going to guess this is an eyeshadow highlighter. What is this? Oh, okay. This has a key to slide over the end of it to push the product through, if you can get it on there. I can't get over it. But this is, you can actually use this on the toothpaste too. This is just a little twist key to help you get all the product through without wasting. You just tick it on there and then twist it down. So any of your squeezy bottles, this is a great little thing. And these are both metal tubes, which is what these keys work best on. So this is an RMS Eyelights. I'm going to read what this does. It says you apply to eyelids using a brush or fingers, begin in the center and blend outwards, fast drying, so blend swiftly. I hate to open it not knowing what it is because I don't know if I'm going to use it. I'm going to put in the corner what it is, and if I do use it, I'll tell you. But if it's not something I can use, I always find a new home for it. But Eyelights. I'll put a little description under here what it is and what it costs. But this is our little RMS Beauty Eyelights. Our last item is another full-size item, and this is, I think this is full-size. I'll have to also confirm. It's just a big bottle, so I assume it's full-size. This is a Medicate, and this is a Crystal Retinol 10. This is a Stable Retinol Night Serum, Next Generation Vitamin A. So we got a Medicate product, and it is in a pump. So it sits upside down on your counter, such as that. And nice product. This, I would be surprised if this is not full size. Part of the reason, besides that I didn't always love the product that I got previously in BeautyFIX, part of the reason that I canceled it was with these little samples, it's really hard to define the value if they're not actually available for resale. The very first box I did, if you go back to through my videos and find the first one, I did the math on the products that had a known value and then the products that all I could find was the full-size version and just divide this size by that size and get the amount that this product should be. And I didn't even get up to 100. Now, obviously the box is only $20-something, so I did get over the value. The value that I ended up with was $80-something, but it made me mad that I couldn't quantify the value that they said they had in it. So I'll try to do the same thing if I can get the values for it. We'll see what those are. Again, you do get your values worth. You 100% are getting your values worth on this. Are you getting the value they say you are? That's debatable, but it is worth your money, and this is the reason I got this entire 3-month subscription. So you'll get 2 more of these reviews. If I fall in love with it, we might get more, but for now, you're just going to see 3 reviews on these. Now, this box, if you want this box specifically, you can. If you subscribe in September, you will get this box, and this mask is worth this box. So you'll get this box, and then you'll get the October and November boxes after that if you get a 3-month or however you sign up. But if you just buy one box and you sign up in September, you will get this box. So you'll get all the same things that I got. If you love all these products, we got 2 great ones, 2 great full size, plus our little samples. All said and done, we got 4 samples and 2 full size. I'm pretty sure this one's full size. So 6 products. I would imagine we have our value in here. Great box. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link to the BeautyFIX by DERMSTORE below. You can check it out. So I want to thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes. If you did like this box and you do like the content that I bring to you, please hit subscribe. Please hit the like button and please hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.